First is they will play. If it was simply they will play, it would be. So this was just the future indefinite. Now you want to say they will begin to play. If it is khelna plus lagna future indefinite, it will be right. Khelne lagenge. Right. You will not come across this type of scenarios often, so don't stress out about it. Like mostly you will be just using future indefinite. But if you want to send the signal, this is the beginning of something, and it's going to continue for some period of time, that's when you will use this case. Otherwise, if you want to just say that, they will play as a one-time activity, you will stick with that, right? It's like, मैं Paris जाऊंगा, okay? But if you, let's say you've gotten a job which will require you to go on and on, and it's like the beginning of that now that I've gotten this engagement, मैं अब Paris जाने लगूंगा. It's not a one-time activity. It's like an inception of that, it will begin. Yeah. So I hope the distinction makes sense. Beautiful, right? First one is दौड़ेंगे, just a future indefinite. That will, what does it mean? The sentence? Yeah. So they will begin to run. Okay. So दौड़ने लगेंगे. It's the same thing as the previous sentence. खेलने लगेंगे, दौड़ने लगेंगे, and you can make it up. पढ़ने लगेंगे, right? सोचने लगेंगे, right? दोस्त बनाने लगेंगे, like they will begin to make friendship. Awesome. So the next one is the same as the first one, so I'm going to skip this one. Okay, so this is तुम. So if it is just a future indefinite, it will be तुम. Movie, let's say you want to say you will watch movie. तुम movie. It's देखोगे. Take the verb, you take the verb, you remove the na, and you put oge to that. Okay. Now you have to use that with lagna. Right. देखने लगोगे. Okay. Right. We'll do the last one. What is sardi? Winter. What is lambi rahi meaning? If the winter is long, what does it mean? Gym ke bajay, instead of the gym, right? Pani ke bajay, instead of the water. Khane ke bajay, instead of the food. Okay? Mere bajay, okay, instead of me. Lo gym ke bajay, instead of the gym. Park mein, if it is just a future indefinite, park mein chalenge. And if it is the beginning of something, like on an ongoing basis, chalne lagenge. Okay, so this was just a quick recap